Welcome back. Today we are making a natural cough syrup made with onion, garlic, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and honey. Onion and garlic, which contain antioxidants, which boost your immune system. Black pepper and clove relieve congestion and soften the throat. Cinnamon is for anti-inflammatory and also used for flavor. Depending on the size of the bottle, use 2 onions, 2 sticks of cinnamon, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of clove, a cup of honey. Before you start doing anything, make sure that the onions are thoroughly washed and clean. Use organic onion. Use organic products. Dice the onion. Make sure it's thoroughly diced. Then the garlic is also diced. The bottle is thoroughly washed and clean. Put the cinnamon, the black pepper, the clove, and the onion and garlic inside the bottle. Then pour the honey inside the bottle. Make sure you properly soak it and leave for like 6 hours before using. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons as needed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share your thoughts below. Thank you.